In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use focus mode, Zen mode, on chess.com. If you ever catch yourself getting distracted by ratings, chat messages, or clutter around the board, this quick feature helps you lock in and think clearly during your game. Here's the idea. Focus mode is chess.com's version of Zen mode. It clears away extra information so you see mostly the board and the clocks, removing opponent details, ratings, and chat. It's designed for use while you're actively playing, and it's meant to be temporary so you can turn it on when you need it and turn it off just as easily. The fastest way to use it is with one key. Once your game is open and the board is active, press the Z key on your keyboard. You'll immediately notice the interface slim down to a minimalist view. If you want to go back to the normal layout at any point, press Z again. Think of it as a quick toggle you can flick on and off depending on the position and your concentration level. If you prefer clicking instead of using a shortcut, look for the full screen or focus icon near the board. It looks like 4 arrows pointing outward. Click that, and you'll get the same clean, distraction-free experience. When you're ready to return to the standard view, click the icon again. Both methods do the same thing. It's just about whichever feels more natural to you while playing. You'll find this most useful in time scrambles, complicated middle games, or critical endgames where extra information can nudge you into impulsive decisions. By hiding ratings in chat, you're less likely to fixate on who you're playing or what spectators are saying, and more likely to calculate the right move. A couple of quick tips. If pressing Z doesn't seem to work, make sure your game window is selected and you're not active in the chat box. Click anywhere on the board and try again. Also, remember that focus mode is primarily an in-game feature. You won't see it change much outside of an active match. If you've used Lichess before, you might recognize a similar concept called Zen mode. Lichess's version is a bit more robust, but chess.com's focus mode achieves the same core goal, hiding distractions so you can concentrate on the moves that matter. That's all you need. Open a game, press Z, or click the 4 arrow icon, and enjoy a calmer, cleaner board. Use it when the position gets sharp, and switch back whenever you want the full interface again. Happy calculating, and good luck in your next game.